You might be wondering why this video starts with music instead of a product review, a sales pitch, or one of those gimmicky product teardowns. Simple. Because when something's built right, it has a rhythm. It's smooth under load. It hits hard when it needs to. And it never sounds fake. Anyone can sell noise. We design and sell harmony. Bring us the best DIY off-grid solar quote you've got, your strongest, most competitive offer, and watch us crush it. We'll beat it with higher quality, longer lasting, higher performance, top name brand equipment, and still deliver a price no dealer can touch.
City lights flicker, the grid starts to crash. Paper thin promises, the winds begin to lash. Storm clouds roll in, hear the breakers cry. When the week goes silent, we don't ask why. Copper in the windings, iron by design, built to endure it every single time. While the world goes fragile, cracks at the seams, there's a heartbeat humming behind the scenes. When the night falls hard and the current dies, there's a force that never bends, never hides. Standing in the blackout, when the lights go out, unstoppable power night and day. While everything fails, it stays awake. Built to survive 24/7, keeping hope alive. When the grid goes down, we rise once more, powered by the heart of iron core.
We use only the finest inverters, solar modules, and batteries in our DIY off-grid solar systems. Our inverters are built with heavy-duty output transformers, making them far more resistant to lightning strikes and EMP exposure than the high-frequency transformerless units everyone else is pushing. And because our systems are engineered around true, low-frequency, transformer-based inverters, built on a proven American design, you never have to worry about damaging your home's appliances the way lightweight, transformerless designs can. This system also includes high-quality, easily installed Integra Rack ground mount solar racks. No concrete footings, no post-pounding, and no earth augers needed. So easy to install that you can complete the installation of 10 solar modules in just under 100 minutes. Proudly made in the USA with US-sourced aircraft-grade aluminum.
Unstoppable power night and day. While everything fails, it stays awake. Built to survive 24/7, keeping hope alive. When the grid goes down, we rise once more, powered by the heart of iron core. Iron core. Let it rain, let it burn, let the grid fall. We were never meant to depend on it all. From the ashes, from the dark, from the storm, we don't beg for power. We were born, built from iron, driven by will. No surrender, no shutdown.